All right, this video is gonna be a little different, and I don't even know if I'm gonna post it and show you guys, but if you guys see it, then there's your answer. But what I'm doing right now is I'm about to call Turbo James. Pretty much I'm gonna be pulling my car out of there, getting it out, taking it to another shop, having them work on it, having them finish it, having them get on it. I've been dealing through this process with him for way too long, like years, and it's at a standstill and there's no progress. So you know what? I've been done dirty so many times. I need to pull the trigger and get it out of there. But I have so many parts and so many things that I've bought and spent money on that's just all stacked up that I don't want to get hit with a curveball to where when I say, hey, I'm pulling it out, I don't want him trying to keep any of the parts. You know, if there's a $3,000 part or a cam or anything that's expensive, you know what I mean? In this pile of all new parts, I don't want him to try to keep it to the side so he can sell it off to still try to make a profit off of it. Now I need to go and then rebuy it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna hit him up and see if I can get like an itemized list and the prices of everything that I have, you know what I mean? Not only so I can keep track of everything that I have in and on my car, but also to be able to tell how much money was actually spent, because I've been buying parts for the, you know, past couple of years. Let's give him a call, and I gotta word it to where he's not suspicious of me pulling my car out, and let's see how this goes. But I do need to get that information.
You are trying to reach is not accepting calls at this time. Please try your call again later. La persona con la que...
Not good. Let's try one more time.
The person you are trying to reach is not accepting calls at this time.
All right, I have another number on him. If this don't work, the next video is gonna be me paying a visit. So let's try another number. Ain't looking good. Not what I was expecting. Next video, paying this man a visit. So this is about to be a good one, dog. All right, man. All right, so drove all the way out. I'm out here now. I'm in San Pedro because Turbo James, he wasn't answering none of my calls from his other phone, and his main phone is disconnected. So I don't know what's going on. My goal is to get all of my parts, get everything itemized, get my parts and pull my car out of there and take it to a real shop that's gonna actually do work and it's gonna be legit. So getting ready to pull up, like I said. I don't know if he's gonna be there or not. I hope he is, but even if he's not, it's gonna give me a chance to be able to peek through the windows, because the last thing I want to see is an empty shop. Because if that's the case, now I gotta track him down. Where the hell is all of my stuff and what's really going on, you know? And this is further proving my suspicion about me picking the wrong guy to do work. So let's see how this goes. Oh, his car's here, and it looks like there's some kind of truck that you would haul stuff in. So was he trying to get the hell out? Yeah, he's not gonna be too happy with this appearance. See how this goes. I'm about to walk around this building, go to the garage. Oh, I'm frustrated, man. Tired. I look busted. Energy level's low. I just don't like when it's not needed or necessary. But there's always solutions for that.
Hi.
Check this out.
Oh my God, I forgot you there. Oh yeah, Kenny's there.
Well, his car's here, and that looks like some type of truck that he might have been moving or hauling some stuff out of, but I went and knocked on the door. It's dark inside, and I banged on the door. Nobody's answering, so now I'm about to walk around to the back where the garages are and see what's up.
Did you try to call the phone again? I forgot about that.
Yeah, remember? The phone's disconnected.
Yeah.
It wasn't answered, so
That's right.
if he's on some, hey man, what's like, nah man, I'm messing with that. All right,
Damn, well hopefully he's back there, dude.
it might be good, it might be bad for him, but yeah, I gotta handle this. So now, walk around the back.
Well, let me know.
Yeah, indeed.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
See if I can hear anything. All right, let's call this number. Since none of his other numbers are working, it's the same number. It's a cell phone number.
The person you are trying to reach is not accepting calls at this time. Please try your call again later. La persona con la que intenta comunicarse no acepta llamada.
All right, correction. Looking at this truck, obviously it looks like you can haul stuff to move stuff out, but looking at that, it goes to them. Not connected. Hopefully it's not connected. I don't know. I don't know where he's at. I don't know how to get in touch with him. I don't know what the hell's going on. So there's no Turbo James. I see his car, but who knows if he even drives his car, if he just parks it here. So you guys having fun yet? Oh, like and subscribe. Woo! Yeah. Give me my back. This other phone. All right, so came down here to 7-Eleven around the corner and got some paper. Gonna leave a couple notes on his car. Mindy's hit me back, and I guess she's doing like some like reverse lookup or whatnot, and she got me a couple other numbers, and I called those numbers. Somebody keeps answering, but not saying when you can hear them like fidgeting or rummaging, you know what I mean, with the phone or whatever, like whatever, like, and then hanging up. So he's still there. So it's just a matter of me catching him. You know what I mean? I'm gonna continue on and then leave these notes, try calling a couple more numbers. It sucks. And outside of that, like I said, I need to get everything that I own the hell out of there. So I'm over it. All right, so I just messaged somebody who I thought was possibly his son or something like that, but it was somebody that's related to him. And you can see that we've had conversations and stuff. And what this person said is that I guess James is like a long lost family member. And the reason why I found this person is because it was the only person that followed his Instagram page. He has one follower and it was this person. But he pretty much said like, yeah, I try to support his business, but as you can see, sometimes he's impossible to get in touch with. So I'm trying. Instagram, try calling, multiple numbers. We'll see what it is, man. It's always an adventure and things are never easy. I swear, like, car stuff only happens to me, man. It seems like everybody else's bills are easy, smooth. You pick the right people. And it's just, it never works in my favor, man. But I gotta keep pushing through. Finish your builds. One note. Two notes. So if we don't see it on his car, he's gonna see it when he walks to the front door. All right, I'm out. To be continued.